Hi, it's Michelle Turner. You are about to enter into the Rolling Over course. It is a course that I've created, and it's $7.99. $7.99. It is one of the best courses out there, or if not the only course out there in Rolling Over. It is one of the best courses. Why? Because it was created by all my work from Movement Lesson. I've worked in hospitals. My smallest baby, 875 grams, not even a kilogram. We have to help our children. We can't just jump in a plane, even if you have concerns or no concerns. This Rolling Over course is the perfect course to help your baby work on one of the most key rotational milestones that are out there. And not only that, but it is simple, step by step, and describes different versions of rolling over. One of the things that I've just been so frustrated with, because someone thinks because their baby goes from their back and to their tummy, which might have been off of a pillow, and they say, yes, my child rolls over. Not necessarily. He might be a grabber, right? Where he's grabbing onto something, right? Or she might just go right into a pubic bone strike and her hands are ready to go into her next play skills. There's different types of rolling over. Did you know it's more difficult to roll over? Let's say if you have a lazy eye. So if a child's eye is going in, again, look at how top heavy I'm getting. And working with that. These are things you're going to learn. The best thing about Movement Lesson is not finding where your child's not doing what they need to do. It's about knowing how they want to do things they want to do, but then how to redirect it. We do it all the time, whether we're at work or at home or at play. That's how we work as human beings. But I think we forget this simple trick in working with our children. I've probably worked on over 30,000 people throughout my life, but more so is I cannot tell you when my son, who was walking and talking, suddenly couldn't even roll over. He regressed at 13 months. I just lost everything that he's done, and I thought I would just get it back. I didn't know I'd have to teach my son all the basics all over again, that he was just so traumatized, and this took years of his life and years of my life. I don't want that to happen to you. It's $7.99. This is the course that is needed that encompasses all of rolling over. One of the bonuses that you'll get with this course is my 7 key rotational milestones. Milestones is not just sitting up. That is not a milestone. Rolling over is a key rotational milestone. You're going to get my free PDF and presentation for free if you sign up for this course right now. It's an $8 course. You're getting like a $47 value just for the PDF, because it's going to have all the points that you need of all the milestones needed to get your child to walking. There's a lot of things that happen between your first year of life. And Movement Lesson wants to help and bring into your success for your child. Movement Lesson wants to be a part of your life. I want to give you the tools that I wish I had for my son, right? Everybody just told me he would never walk or talk. I just wanted one thing today, that he could do better. But why not offer your child a milestone? A milestone is something that they can do and it will last forever, right? That's what a milestone is. It's an accomplishment, but it's accomplishment now into the next step. If you do not have your good foundations, like in tummy time and rolling over, these are some of your key rotational milestones that your child needs to establish. Once they have that, then they can come to sitting and go into all fours, grabbing feet, all those kind of things. Why? Because a baby milestones by getting in and out of the position. They have trouble getting in and out of milestones. And please, I see countless people every day that come to me 6, 7, 9 months. Should I be concerned my child's not rolling over yet? Your rolling over milestone really needs to accomplish between 2.5 to 3 months. Now, I'm not saying that if you are at the 5 months, 6 months, or later year level, that's a warning sign. Yes, it's a concern, but get on it today. Right? That's what Movement Lesson offers. It is a #1 place to go for developmental milestones. We're the only one that offers these courses as an entirety to help your child. You can get started today. You'll have an app for your phone. your iPad, your computer. You can take us with you wherever you go to work and help your child. Why? Because the greatest gift you can give them is movement. It's that simple. They don't need anything else as babies but movement. The gadgets and all that, they'll come later. They don't need anything else but movement. And when your child can't move into a new position, that's when you start getting deviations and concerns. I don't want you to have concerns. I obviously can't take away genetics and birth traumas per se, but if we can get to it early, lessen the severity, and give you the tools that you need to identify to help your child be all that they can be, that's why we're parents. Greatest gift. $7.99 plus the free PDF on the 7 rotational milestones. But with that, and to get my webinar, enter in your credit card now, because that's what it comes with, right? For $7.99 today, enter in your credit card and get it started, and you can start watching your rolling over course today. Get the help that you deserve, not the one that you will need 5 months from now. Get it today. Thanks.